Alright, we will be making a camera light, a portable white camera light. Let's get straight into it. Alright, this is the LED that we'll be using. We need to glue it to the 3D printed base. Make sure the wires go through the hole. Alright, we put this aside. Then now, the tripod adapter and the body was printed separately, so you have to glue them in together. Now put aside to dry. Alright, now it's time to solder the battery to the TP4056 circuit board along with the out terminal wires to the switch and then to the LED. Alright, after you're finished soldering, I'll put up a wiring diagram for the soldering. It's time to add the board to the 3D printed case for it. First, you want to lay down some hot glue for the battery and the board. Alright. Everything glued in. Alright, perfect. Now it's time to get soldering for the switch. The switch goes right here. A cutout slot for it. Alright, soldering now. We need to solder the red wire to right here off the switch. Then a red wire here, that is to go to the LED. But upon this red wire, you need to put this resistor so it limits the current flow to the LED. Time to solder again. Alright, after you have finished soldering, now it's time to close the light. But first we need to glue in the switch and then glue on the top cover. So let's get right into that. So I'm supposed to be very flush with the body. Alright, perfect. So now it's time to glue on the top cover to the main body. Alright, if you have a clamp, you can get a clamp and clamp this together for a better adhesion. Now I would just leave this here for 30 minutes so the glue can dry and everything is strengthened. Alright, after everything is glued, you can remove the clamp and let's see if the tripod mount works. Right, screws in perfectly. Works like a charm. Very good. With the switch at the top. Oh, it's at the side. Nice camera light. And remember that it charges with USB Type-C. Or if you opt for the micro USB TP4056. You can see the red light which indicates charging. This power bank is for a future video. Alright, time to see the test in the dark.